has more.
This was a scene at Mammoth Lake around Christmas as extreme winds and heavy snowfall blanketed the eastern Sierra area, dumping nearly 6 feet of snow in a few days. On Monday, an outpouring of support for family and friends of 2 ski patrollers who were caught in an avalanche at Mammoth Ski Resorts in Mammoth Lakes. Both were rushed to the hospital, and one, 30-year-old Cole Murphy, died. Take a look at this. Washoe County Sheriff's Department posting this rescue of a snowboarder that accidentally skied out of bounds at Diamond Peak Resort in Incline Village. Cold but alive, search crews rescued the man out of harm's way.
There's several things that are our main pointers.
Dennis Baggett is with North Star Operations. He says since the heavy snowfall, Ski Patrol have been extremely busy.
Well, one, stay out of closed areas. If there's a rope or a closed sign, it's closed for a reason. So we really need people to respect that. Patrol is working as fast as they can to get every bit of safe terrain open.
He says North Star wants everyone to have fun and enjoy the new powder dusting the mountain, but says it's critical to follow safety guidelines.
When we went 0 to 100 like we did, all the pads need to get put out on poles. They need to check every bit of terrain, make sure there's no unsafe obstacles that we really want guests to know about. They are also just checking every bit of avalanche terrain, whether that's just ski checking, which is a lot of what's happening right now. So stomping around in the snow, making sure that nothing is seeing some movement that makes them uncomfortable.
Baggett says with another storm on the way, he also recommends gearing up for those conditions on the horizon.
That I will remind people is when the precipitation does come again towards the end of the week, be mindful of driving conditions on the way up. That there's times where it'll be a little wetter coming down during the day and then freeze at night. So those roads could be slick.
Terisa, Estacio, Cron 4 News.